Bienvenidos, duders and duderettes. I wanted to do a little painting as I'm trying to fall asleep. The medicine just doesn't seem to affect me till much later, so I wanted to get a little work in on my painting. So I'm gonna grab a couple of yellow because I kind of want to go over this. This is going to be a gumball machine. It doesn't quite look like a gumball machine yet, but in due time, my friends, in due time. Well, I have some yellow going. Oops, that was quite a bit. Gonna have to go over it with a couple of layers. Of some other colors, but while that's going, let me hit some red. I think what I decided, I'll go back. I think I was going to do this for Million. Um, yeah, we'll go with that. What all I wanted to do together was to add a bunch of different pills into this gumball machine, because I think it's absolutely abhorrent that so many people have access to this drug. So I don't imagine this will be a very long one. If you're enjoying, follow along, let your own creative muscles, do their thing. Once the top is a little bit more dry, we'll add some more color in. What I did, there it is, right? Again, we're using vermilion red. And we're making a gumball machine, but it will be comprised of many illicit yet pharmaceutical medications. Hopefully, this could bring some awareness to, if you have a loved one with an addiction problem, hopefully they can seek help, because while some people do struggle with pain management, such as myself, I have to deal with it under the confines of my own inability to deal with it, because I am afraid of addiction. Okay, this is looking okay. Let's do another pass through. Make sure we got a nice, beautiful red in here. I earlier today finished Final Fantasy VII, and I have the beautiful soundtrack stuck in my head. It's unfortunately not the one-winged angel fight, but it is the battle music for regular enemies. What a confusing game that can be. And I had to pause for a long time because I wasn't able to follow cohesively. So I took a break and I picked up where I left off thanks to a handy dandy guide. Let's see, how old would I have been when that came out? I would have probably been like just born. Or I believe it came out the year before me. Alright, let's do some reds in here. Okay. Alright. Okay, now I have one winged angel stuck in my head. Sephiroth. Sephiroth. Oops, I forgot to do the red up there. That's alright. Yeah, trust the process, guys. This will be a worthwhile endeavor. But with that being said, I am kind of ready for bed. I want to work further on the gumball and the gold in here, the black mechanisms for here, because the main thrust of everything. Well, I need to do the top to the jar, but the main thrust of everything is going to be the little tablets inside, and that's going to take some time to do. Mainly because there's little uh, markings on the tablets. If you've ever seen a pill before, you know there's numbers, letters. Sometimes there's a score mark on there. No, I don't intend to do it for each pill, but I want to do a few of them. Um, and then maybe rework the color inside of here. That's why I want to hopefully sleep on it, so I can let my brain register it and have a good idea on how I want to throw it all together. So if you've enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe. Peace. We'll see you in the part 2.